at Buttonwood Park Zoo in New Bedford. Good to have you with us tonight. I'm Patrice Wood.
I'm Gene Valicenti. Now, that's a first for a mammal there, as NBC 10's Temi Topa Adelea tells us tonight. Temi?
Gene and Patrice, Blue's death has been hard for the team. He was born at the zoo 21 years ago, an animal ambassador that educated people about seals. He died on February 5th, and now his death is teaching people just how deadly this virus can be for animals, not just birds.
Buttonwood Park Zoo in New Bedford and Roger Williams Park Zoo in Providence are ramping up biosecurity measures to combat the avian flu. That includes more foot baths for zookeepers.
This way we don't spread anything from place to place. So we have different areas that are different risk levels. And just by doing this anywhere we can, it'll minimize that risk.
Buttonwood Park Zoo lost its 21-year-old harbor seal Blue to the flu earlier this month.
It was a shock. It was not expected. This was a very healthy, middle-aged male harbor seal.
Acting Director Shara Rapoza says 3 animals there have died from avian flu in the past 4 weeks.
We had a bird that tested positive, and we had a wild black vulture that tested positive. But Blue was the first mammal that tested positive here on site.
The harbor seal exhibit is an open enclosure. While wild birds are on site, they are rarely seen in this exhibit, so staff don't know how it happened. Like Buttonwood Park Zoo, Dr. Kim Wojcik with Roger Williams Park Zoo says safety measures have always been in place. They're just increasing efforts.
It used to be something that we thought about but didn't have to deal with. And now that it's here and it's widespread, we're now living in that reality where when we potentially make new exhibits, we're going to be looking at ways we can design those exhibits to keep our animals as safe as possible.
Roger Williams Park Zoo moved animals like its eagles from their open habitat to this enclosed space for the time being. Buttonwood is testing all of its birds, monitoring the health of all of its animals, and educating the public on how to avoid spreading the virus.
We've weathered the storm through West Nile, Triple E, COVID. Our guests do not have direct contact with our animals, and so there is no risk to them.
Capron Park Zoo in Attleboro says it is monitoring for bird flu and will report suspicious bird deaths to the health department, but keepers say they are not doing anything out of the ordinary because they don't have many waterfowl in their zoo. Live in studio, Temi Topa Adelea, NBC 10 News.